Hello everyone! In this video I will talk about a very popular leisure activity, visiting farms. In the Netherlands, traditional agriculture holds an important place. They cultivate various crops such as wheat, potatoes, vegetables, fruits, berries, and of course flowers. The farming cluster is also strong, and it's no secret that the country is known for its cheese production. Therefore, there are many livestock farms here, with goats, cows, sheep, and other domestic animals. Farmers in the Netherlands are kind and allow visitors to interact with their animals in a completely voluntary basis, creating farm spaces where people can interact with animals and have a great time. Since we live in the suburb of Amsterdam, Amstelveen, I will tell you about our nearest and most beloved farm, Elsenhove. I will leave coordinates of the farm in the video description. It is very cozy here. There is a large enclosure where little goats and sheep freely roam. They are incredibly adorable and not afraid of people. They happily let themselves be petted, which both adults and children enjoy. There are also pigs, donkeys, rabbits, and various domestic birds living here. At Elsenhove farm, there is a cafe where you can have a snack and a cup of coffee. Of course, children are always happy to have some ice cream. The farm also has a fantastic playground. It is truly large and diverse, which is quite rare in the Netherlands. The playground features numerous slides, obstacle courses, and a sandbox. Several times a year they organize farm days, where visitors can try their hands at shearing sheep, feeding animals, and participating in other activities. It's an incredible experience for city dwellers. I will leave the farm's website in the video description for you to check the schedule and opening hours before you visit. I will also include a list of our other favorite farms. Spend a day closer to nature and you won't regret it. Children will absolutely love it. Do not miss any new videos, subscribe to the UP&GO channel.